Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to verify your email on Picsart application. To verify your email on Picsart, first of all, open up the Picsart app on your mobile device. If you haven't logged in yet, do so using the email and password you registered with. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner and click on Edit Profile on the next page. This will open up your profile section from where you will need to click on the Verify button right next to your email. Now, go ahead and open up your email inbox where you'll receive an email confirmation link. Click it open and then click on Confirm Email Address button in order to verify your email address. Now open up with the help of a web browser, and that is how you will be able to verify your email address on Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.